Alright, check it out. We got the V8 Pro robot vacuum cleaner from HONITURE. Here we got the model number, the power, 40 watts, adapter size, the voltage, breakdown, some warnings for California, some address, make in place. Here's what's included. You got the vacuum, charger dock, adapter, 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank, side brush, main brush, mopping cloth holder, high efficiency filter, brush, user manual, quick guide, and one mopping cloth. Got the side tells you kind of features it has: powerful suction, all-in-one vacuum and mop and sweep, 4.0 laser navigation, awesome, and then featured customization cleaning, then a QR code probably for the app. Let's check it out. Easy pull tab. That break right away. So here we have a nice instructional chart with all the instructions. So if you have any problems, here's the emails: French, Italian, US, Australian, Spanish, Canadian. So here we have the setup for the dock, how many space you have to put beside it. Here are the side brushes you have to manually install. Oh, it goes from here. 1, 2. Setup preparation, all the light functions. Here's how to connect the app with the button, with the machine. Recharging method with the dock. Some precautions: watch out for power lines and cables, and please check for any short hair rugs. That's important. Here's the app connection, and here's how the breakdown of the app. Inside here we have looks like we have the manual and the included cleaning tool. Really handy for cutting tied fibers and cleaning out the filters. Here's the main piece. Here we have the dock. So here it connects with 2 prongs. Nice AC adapter. Right to the wall. On the bottom we have the mopping adapter, mopping head. So like similar models, this is velcroed on. You can remove it, and has these little hooks right here to keep it in place. And that will be easily cleaned. You can throw it in the washing machine or hand wash it and dry it. Connects right back in, snaps into the bottom. Here's the main unit itself. We got some little bumpers that say remove before use. Grab these out. 1, 2. Let's take a look at the machine. So we have the power button, home for charging. And back we have more sensors. And this looks like the dust cover. Yeah, so 2 buttons: pull out the dust cap, open the cover. Here's the filter. You can use the brush to clean it. And then also you can hold water, I believe, too. Let's see, what does this say? There's a rubber cap on the side right here. Plop that in for.
New environment detected. Cleaning restarted.
Oakley, come here.
It's okay.
Come here. Oakley, stop.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oakley, here.
Charging. Charging. Dirt disposal bag not installed.
Clearly, it's still installed.
In the middle of the desert, the track was struggling to keep sand off the main racing line. After qualifying, members of Rossi's crew were reported to racing stewards for